channel. Welcome to my channel. Train number 12 hours 15 minutes the train travel. This is the Kanyakumari from Chennai Egmore to Kanyakumari. I am traveling with Kanyakumari. This is the part 1 of my Chennai travel. Tamil Nadu, south part of AP. Chennai Egmore railway station. Beautiful architecture of this building. Thank you. Any people Chennai Egmore railway station. You would like very much visit this place, particularly Egmore railway station. The division board, the arrival and departure, they come in 3 languages: English, Hindi, and the regional language of Tamil. The cleaning process of the railway station platform is very clean and let us see what's special about this. The original sound of announcing departure and arrival flight system is different capital cities is Egmore railway station connected with long journey of train as well as short journey of train as well as day as well as many night connected with different spots. Kanyakumari Superfast Express with AC coaches arriving in the platform. Train number 12 hours 15 minutes the train travel. This is the Kanyakumari Superfast Express. Waiting for the unreserved compartment for the catch. Huge competition getting inside the train and station catch hold of each other. The unreserved compartment only seat for sitting seat will be available and the luggage cabin will be available and not able for to sleep. Berth will not be available. Huge competition getting inside the train and station catch hold of it. The unreserved compartment only seat for Kanyakumari Superfast Express. The departure engine connected. And look at the third class AC inside the compartment. They provide woolen blanket, white bedspread. In a row, 3 people can sit in the room. Inside the room, there will be a lower berth of 2 lower berths, so 6 people can sit in the inside the room, and the same 6 people can sleep also. So 6 that berth will be there. 2 lower berth, 2 middle berth, and 2 upper berth. The opposite side there will be 2 people can individually sit. That is 1 lower berth and 1 upper berth. And for luggage uses and all, under the lower berth there will be a small space to keep the luggage.
Your time